Today, I have the absolute privilege to show you this stunning historic mansion listed in the Whittier neighborhood of Minneapolis. That's listed by my friend and colleague, Erin Shoquist, and she let me take a tour. So I'm going to show you what I saw a few days ago, and you can enjoy the eye candy, but if it's something of higher interest to you and you're interested in taking a look, please let me know. I'm happy to schedule an appointment. If you're entering through the front of the home, you immediately go into this beautiful foyer with a crystal chandelier. And then if you go to the right here, you'll see one of my favorite rooms in the entire home, and that is this amazing study or library with custom carving and Cuban mahogany paneling, as well as built-in shelving that would hold the books that you're going to pull off and cuddle up on that couch next to the fireplace and read in the wintertime. I'm not going to show you this entire house. I just want to show you the highlights. And when I show you this, you won't believe that this isn't the entire house. But this home is over 10,000 square feet with 7 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms, 5 fireplaces. There is a lower level apartment, which we're not going to look at in this tour, and then an upper level guest apartment that I could happily live in, just that part of it. As we walk a little further in, we get to this beautiful kitchen space that overlooks the terrace and the gardens, and it's so cozy and warm, even though it is a large kitchen. The wood countertops and the stone, the massive amounts of cabinetry, all of it make it a very functional space, but one that you really want to spend time in. I can see people either cooking together or sitting in those chairs and having conversations with people while they cook. The other area of this kitchen that really attracted me was the butler's pantry. I dream of having a butler's pantry. I love it so much. If you're the sort that really loves to entertain or even just have people over for the holidays, this is the dining room for you. It's stunning. All of the bedrooms have their own ensuite, and that was the primary bedroom. The part that stood out to me was the dressing room, just gorgeous. And then I'll show you 2 other bedrooms on this level before going up to the upper level apartment. This guest apartment is just amazing. It's light, it's bright, it feels modern and classic, and it feels cozy and warm. And it's a great place if you have multi-generational family living with you, or, perhaps if you have people that come to stay, maybe an extended stay, and you don't really need them um, as a part of your every moment of every day. What a great place to have for them to go and have some privacy.